Now we just want to give you a list of the properties of vectors. Okay? This kind of like summarize what we have done, kind of like a quote unquote common sense. All right. So it's commutative. What does that mean? It's A plus B, the vector A plus vector B equal to V plus A, 2. All right. Associative. The vector A plus B plus C equal to, you can combine the first two together and then add the last one. That's okay. And then the additive identity exists. What does that mean? So if the zero is called additive identity, meaning what? A zero vector 0, 0, 0 is equal to what? Itself. So any vector plus a zero vector equal to itself. And associative property, meaning you have a constant times A plus B equal to, you can distribute them, you can figure out what is C times A first plus C times B and add the result together. And sorry, I skipped one. So added the inverse. What does that mean? So if you have vector A, negative A, that's the additive inverse of A. That's equal to a zero vector. Number 6. All right. So associative property work both ways. You can combine the two constant first, or you can distribute the two constant to vector. You add the result together. They are the same. And finally, not finally, then associate property with the scalar multiplications as well. You can go ahead and do the D times A first, or you can take the product of C and D and multiply A. They are the same. Finally, you have the scalar 1 times any vector equal to the vector itself. So these are the properties of vectors.